We're gonna spray it in. Hi, and welcome back. I'm going to do a series of videos on how I go about and buy some of my vintage radios. And I thought I'd start with one I picked up a few days ago. And it's a JCPenney Pinto SSB 23 channel transceiver with microphone untested. Now, there's nothing really remarkable about this radio, but it started at, what was it, $9.50. And what really caught my eye on this was if you go ahead and we click on the pictures here, and you can just see it's from around 1975, I think. I looked it up. It sold for about $199 new. And in the world of SSB radios, this one's not too popular because it's only 23 channels. And no one really uses the lower channels for sideband anymore. But what caught my eye on this, and it was not in the description, if we scroll here, comes with an old Uniden mic. And what it is, there was a sticker on here, and this is what caught my eye. And if you read the sticker, it says fine-tuned is unlocked. That makes it a VFO. It has extra crystals for channels above 23. It is a 2-watt pusher to be used with an amp. So that caught my eye. And I was thinking, if we go through the pictures again, you can see the switch on the side of it. So it was only $9.50, and it was only 2 states away. And this is a pretty heavy radio. I think it comes in around 9 pounds. And shipping normally would kill you on this. But the shipping and handling only came to $9. And so I went ahead and bid, and I did a maximum 25, and it ended up going for $19.50. So there's a couple more pictures. The faceplate's kind of beat up. But I went ahead and bid on it, and I won the auction. And here it is in all its glory. I hooked up my antenna to it, and believe it or not, turns on, it works. And it took a little figuring out, but the switch on here, when it's forward, it's the 1 through 23 channels. And when you flip the switch this way, we'll take a look inside on a future video when I'm going to show how I replace capacitors. So we're going to replace the capacitors in this. We're going to refurbish the case on it. And I have another faceplate I'm going to put on this. But getting back to my story, when I flip the switch, I guess it would be towards the back, is how you engage the other channels. And I had no idea what extra channels it has. When I show you the inside of it, you can see by the switch that they put in 4 extra crystals. So my logical guess on this was that it's going to probably have channel 38. And sure enough, it did. And how I figured that out is I went over to my Bearcat over here. And what I did, if I turn it on here, and I key the mic on 11, As you can see, it's on 11, the light's burned out. But if I key 11, test 1, 2, 3, you can see it's receiving on 38. So I figured out channel 11 was 38. Then I tried 39 on 12 and it didn't work. But channel 10, 9, and 8 did work. So that would be, I'm assuming, the 4 crystals. So 11 is 38, 37 on 10, 36 on 9. Wait, let me do that again. 11 is 38, 10 is 37, 9 is 36, and 8 is channel 35. Now, the wonderful thing about this is I will show you a clip, but I actually get better reports on this than I do over here on my unit in Bearcat. What I really like about this radio, it has a crystal filter inside of it, and you can really, at least I can really tell the difference with the real crystal filter. It just seems to separate the audio better, and the audio just seems to sound better. And I think I showed you this. I hooked up a JCPenney microphone. I believe this is the one that came with it. I actually have another one of these. And here it is. And this one doesn't work. I replaced all the capacitors in this one. But this one, cosmetically, as I said, looks much better. It's not as beat up. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to take the faceplate off. The only thing that I'm really bummed about is they had etched something into this. So the chrome's not in the best. I wish I could take the chrome from this and put it on in the faceplate from this one, but I can't. So I'm going to replace, in a future video, I'm going to replace the faceplate, all the knobs here, and I'm going to put it over on this radio. The case on this one, I just realized it has a bunch of stuff etched into it. So what I'm probably going to do is take this case and probably sand it down lightly, primer it, and then repaint it. And I'm going to put all new capacitors inside of this. So that's going to be a future video. And I thought, I just thought it might be interesting to show you the process I go through with some of these radios that I like to keep. And this one is definitely a keeper. It's a great sounding radio. And, I think I might start using this a while. So anyway, I'm going to leave off with a clip I did this afternoon. And just to kind of show you the sound quality and how well it transmits and receives. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. 108 Texas, sounding great here in Lake Tahoe, Nevada, 595.
Right back 595, you're sounding well in the sweller. I'm on stack of brakes as well. 73's 595, I'm going 10-7. 108 around South Texas, clear and go.
73's 108 South Texas, 595, standing by.
How about that 595, 707 Southeast Texas?
707 Texas, you're making the trip here to Lake Tahoe, Nevada, 595.
Good, 707 here. Sounding good down here, 595, no doubt about it.
I got you there.
Take care of your way, 707 Operator Jim.
595, Nevada, 399, Illinois.
707, 73's to you, 595. Come on back, Illinois, 595.
Was that 148 in Texas? 399, Illinois, trying.
399, you're making the trip here, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. It's busy out there.
All right, 595, 73's 399, we're listening.
73's to you, 399, 595, reading the mail.
114, if that was you in Texas.
S114.